So these are what the replacement housing looks like. They're not made out of die cast, and it's actually a full bit of aluminium that's been machined, and right there, as you can see, this is actually the piece that normally breaks right there. So with the new one like that, it'll never break, and there's also more material for the switch to actually hold onto the back of the thing. So once this is replaced, you'll never have a problem with the key not returning, and you'll never have a problem with the actual switch popping off the back. So that's the replacement part for this. They are expensive, but well worth it. So just never happen again, makes it more reliable. Alright. Okay, so that's what the switch now looks like, the replacement part, and we'll just try it, put the key in. Battery's flat. Okay, so we'll jump it, spring loads, key comes out, beautiful, put it together and job done. Okay, so this ignition had been repaired before, so I rang the customer and I gave him the option whether to replace and put the aftermarket manufactured part, which means that this will never happen again. So that's what once the part's removed, that's what the inside of the ignition column looks like. So we will put the switch back together and put it in. So that means that it'll always be spring loaded, it'll always work, and the switch will not come apart. So when I looked at it before, I didn't notice that it had been repaired before. So he made the right decision, and we'll get back into it.